In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a video you posted on TikTok. Simple and easy. So the keyword is how to delete a video on TikTok. So you can delete videos you only posted, not videos people posted. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you hop on your profile. You should find the videos you've posted on there. Good. So I have one here. You can see I have a single video here, which was posted during the World Cup. So what I'm going to do is, you see I have it playing here. I tap on the three dots under the like, the comment, the save button. Good. Three dots, you tap it there. Good. You can see delete below. Yeah, beside, you see the arrow on your screen beside the privacy setting as well. Just tap on delete and then delete. Good. And you see I have nothing uploaded there. So you can also find your deleted stuff. I have a video on that. You can check it out on my channel. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.